Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the weekly and daily, because today the weekly candle is finished. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, yes, you watching me now. Are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to hit a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the description of that video, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see here that the weekly candle is finished here, which is that one here, that red candle here, that one. It zoom it together to see what it gave us there. It gave us here like a small pin bar that man us we are staying sideways here, because look how many weeks us we are in that level here. We couldn't break it now. If you came, you calculating here 1 2 3 6 7, that's 7 weeks us we are here in that level here. That is telling us one thing, that level here it's very stronger, as you see it like that. Last time from here we couldn't break it down. It spent some time and would tell us that is that big candle here with a big tail here. Now you go back here to that level, and it's showing to us we are in a very stronger level. We are coming to it. And another thing here, we show it to you here. As you see it here, the Bitcoin it go back above in the 200 moving average here, but hold it us down is that one here, that 50 moving average, which is still below in the 200 moving average. That way you don't see that big jump, because as I mentioned before, I told you that the first time when the 50 moving average is crossing below, and if you watching our yesterday on-chain data, we tell you also we are in the bottom. Now all the investors, they are waiting, they want to close above here. It's going to indicating that the big move started. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And let me show you that level as we talking about. We zoom it out like that, and you see it by yourself, that level here, why we are still here in that level. As you see, that the level we are in now, and even that red of the market is telling us that is that level here, because that here in the weekly, if you go down to smaller time frames, you're going to find it a big level, and that level here, as you see it, first time we came to it here, we rest in it. Second time we came to it here, and even when the Bitcoin falling sharply, we came here and we stay in it here. And who make it to fall down that big jump here is that Elon Musk, when he sold some Bitcoin, then the last fall down it was here from FTX. Now also we are in that level here again, as you see it, that the level we are in, guys. That way me I told you we need to wait in what the Bitcoin is going to do, and me I'm still believing there is that small correction going to come to that level here. Then after that we're going to go up, because as I show you before, we got here a wake up pattern like that, very clear that the fake out here. Now everything is still going perfect. We need just to make that correction here, then after that to go up to break here that last high. Or another scenario, maybe we're going to break here that level here, that one. Then from here we're going to go more higher, guys. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's going to see the coming news for all the week for picture to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are, that the coming news for all the week. As you see it, Monday we don't got nothing, just a holiday here for UK. Then what we got here in Tuesday, we got that one EA short-term energy outlook. That one, it doesn't got a big impact to crypto market, but the day when everything is going to be mad is here. As you see it, is it Wednesday 10 of May, we're going to have a big impact to the market, guys, and even for the stock, which is here, as you see it. The CPI or inflation index, or name it whatever you want, the names doesn't matter. As you see it, we fall down to 5%, and the outlook here from the investing.com or the forecasting here is going to stay at 5%. That way we saw the Fed is increase interest rate this month. So guys, you need to be careful. If we stay 5%, that means something not right. I think, and we said it before, we said it, we're going to reach that 5, 4, and we're going to spend long there. And that's what it's showing now. I think everything is too clear here. In Thursday, what we got here, as you see it, we got initial jobless claim and PPI. This one doesn't got big impact to the market. Friday, we just got news for UK that it will affect the Forex, but not the crypto market. And here is our friend, the table of odds. Also, we're looking at it every day. As you see it, what it's telling us here, everything it started the week green here. All US stocks, they started the week green. And that's bad sign, guys. People they've been with us, they know that. That's a bad sign here. Plus here, the VIX, it fell down 2%. As you see it, we used to be 20, now we go back to 17.90. That's a bad sign, guys, here. The US dollar, it's staying here, 101. We couldn't break above, we couldn't break down. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the daily. So let's go in there. Here we are in the daily, guys. By the way, yes, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Pause the video now, please. Smash that like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. So please, my friend, please, go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. So here in the daily, guys, you remember what else we said in the last video? We said here we got a golden zone here, that the zone of 0.61. Like that, we say that there, and that's what it's showing here. It's showing the Bitcoin, it's reversing from here, and now here it tried to give us here like a double top like that. As you see it, it's not yet. The neckline of it is going to be here, down here at that level here, but it's not yet. We need to wait in that one to come down to break here. And today is Monday, guys. You need to be careful. What me have been telling you about Monday, every time Monday doing against what is going to do all the week. You remember that here? That Monday, that candle here is the candle of Monday. What happened after it? We go back up till here. Same thing now here. Let's wait in tomorrow what the market is going to tell us. If we are going to break down here or we're going to go up. So till now there is nothing new here. And here in the daily, me I showed it to you before. I told you we got here a mega fall like that. Till now we haven't breaking up, we haven't breaking down, so we need to wait in where it's going to be broke. I show you even we got here a head and shoulder, but it's not yet completed. It's need that one to move down till here, and the neckline is staying down here of that mega fall. So nothing new here in the daily. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the last video I told you we got here a new price action like that. Yes or no? People they been with us didn't remember it very, very well. And down here, what we got a trend line. We started from down here and here and here. Now we are here at that level. It's showing to us maybe it's going to break down here. As you see it, it hasn't been broken, so us we are not going to enter short. So we need to wait, and guys, where is the market is going? Either we're going to break up here, that means us we are going to enter long and we will put the stop loss down here, or it's going to break down here. That means us we're going to enter short and we will put in the stop loss up here. So till now us we still waiting here in 4 hours where is the market is going. I think picture is too clear here, guys. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying. So let's go in there. Our indicator, you remember the trend line here? When it touched it here, it bounced up here. We couldn't break above to go back where is the bulls they controlling. Now it's showing to us it's breaking down here. That's a bad sign, guys. We're breaking the trend line. Also, we've been bouncing from it as you remember it, as you see it. Now we're breaking it here. If that 4 hour candle close like that, we will see the Bitcoin falling down. I think picture is too clear here. And here now it's telling us as we enter in a bear market here. So picture is too clear guys here. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, when it touch here the overbought area, we show you here we got down here a price action like that. We told you we got here a very clear triangle here. We are waiting it to get broke down here for us to enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short guys. You need to remember that. If it's breaking above here, also we are going to enter long. Also we don't care about indicators because those ones at the end of the day they are just oscillators. That's what we have been teaching you guys. So you need to be focused here. And we got another small price action here. We are going to go to it in 30 minutes. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here that the price action we have been talking about in the 4 hours. Look at it here. I'm not drawing on top of it for picture to get more clear to you guys. Like that and like that and like that. What you got? Focus it with me. That the first shoulder here. That the head. That the second shoulder here. Neckline, where is it? Over here is the tricky part. Neckline is it here. You see it or no? That the neckline guys. Very, very, very clear picture here. Should we enter short? Not yet. We haven't broken the neckline down here for us to enter short. In the last video where we used to be, here in that zone here. What me I told you here? I told you like that. A symmetric triangle here. It's breaking down here. Now you are in a short guys. Yes or no? Now at that level where we are, what should we do here? Over here, he tried to give you here like a small flag here. Look at it. Very clear flag or channel here. Because if you came like that from up to down here, you got a small flag here or a small channel. So now either from here we are going to go back up here, then maybe we're going to break above here or down here. Also we are still waiting. If it's breaking down here, that means it's going to break even that head and shoulder we got here and in the 4 hours. And now here that level here where we are, what it representing to you? It represents that 4 hour trend line will coming from down here. That's why we saw that green candle is coming up guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator. What is it saying? Our indicator as you see it, is it here at the oversold area level? You are in a very, very, very stronger level. Look with me here. If you came like that and you see it, first time from here it bounced up, second time from here it bounced up, and now you are in it and it's showing here a green candle is going up. Should you enter long here at that level here? Not yet my friend. Over here you can even make a trend line like that. You see it or no? You can make a trend line like that, and down here you connecting those dots here, that one here and that one. Where is the market touching? Even that one is another price action. So if we're breaking above, because here look down, our indicator is here down at the oversold area guys. Everything is too clear guys. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much my friend. See you in another video guys. Bye for now.